Science begins with a simple question: what if? What if we could solve the problems around us? What if ideas could turn into innovations? What if curiosity could change the world?
Good evening to one and all. I am Nehal Jain.
And I am Mahak Patidar.
Welcome you to Inter-College Science Exhibition 2K26 organized by First Year Department, IPS Academy, Institute of Engineering and Science, where imagination meets innovation and curiosity find its wings.
They say that science is the poetry of reality. Today, we gather not just to witness projects, but to celebrate the curiosity, the late nights, and the incredible innovations of our brilliant students.
Here, ideas will spark conversation, creativity will meet innovation, and young minds will showcase how imagination and science together can shape the future. Behind every project displayed here are weeks of dedication, countless experiments, moments of success, and perhaps even a few eureka moments.
So today, let us celebrate not just science, but the passion, persistence, and creativity of the students who dared to ask questions and explore the answers.
Before we proceed further, it's important to understand the heartbeat of this exhibition, to share the vision behind this innovation, and to officially set the context for today. I invite our faculty coordinator, Dr. Sanjay Jain sir, to the podium.
Good afternoon to all the dignitaries and honored guests, faculty members, and dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the prize distribution ceremony of the Inter-College Science Exhibition 2026, organized on the auspicious occasion of National Science Day and in the celebration of birth anniversary of the legendary scientist Albert Einstein. Today is not just a ceremony of awards, but a celebration of innovation, dedication, and scientific spirit. Over the past session, we have witnessed remarkable creativity under the themes of scientific and technological innovation, robotics and automation, software and application. The enthusiasm and brilliance displayed by the participants truly reflect the bright future of science and technology in our country. I, Dr. Sanjay Jain, extend my heartfelt welcome to our esteemed principal, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary Madam, whose guidance and commitment to academic excellence have been instrumental in organizing this grand event. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our distinguished guest, Shri K.K. Sharangpani, ex-senior scientific officer from RRK at Indore, Shri Mahendra Lad, ex-director, Proton Accelerator Group and outstanding scientist from RRK at Indore, Colonel Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Professor of Practice at IPS Academy, IES Indore. Your valuable time and encouragement mean a lot to our young innovators, and we sincerely thank you for being with us on this special occasion. This year's exhibition witnessed an overwhelming response with 110 models registered, out of which 78 outstanding models were presented today. With participation from 7 colleges and approximately 400 participants, the event has truly become a platform for the collaboration, competition, and creativity. As we celebrate the legacy of Albert Einstein, let us remember his belief that curiosity and imagination are the true drivers of the discovery. I congratulate all the prize winners in advance and appreciate the sincere effort of every participant, mentor, judge, and organizing committee member who contributed to the success of this exhibition. With this word, I once again welcome you to all prize distribution ceremony of the Inter-College Science Exhibition. May this celebration inspire all of us, continue exploring, innovating, and contributing to the advancement of science and society. Thank you, and let us proceed to honor our brilliant achievers.
Thank you, sir, for those opening remarks and for sharing the vision behind this event with us. It's a great honor for us to welcome our respected principal, ma'am, Dr. Archana Kirtri Chaudhary, ma'am. Her support has inspired us to learn, achieve, and explore more.
The lighting of the lamp symbolizes the removal of darkness and the triumph of knowledge over ignorance. A beautiful reminder that even the smallest flame can illuminate the path ahead.
I would like to respectfully invite our honorable guest, principal ma'am, and faculty coordinators to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp and mark the auspicious beginning of today's science exhibition.
या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा
To evaluate the brilliance on display today, we are honored to have a distinguished panel of experts with us.
They bring with them a wealth of knowledge from various fields. Please join us in welcoming our jury panel. Our jury panel includes Shri K.K. Shrangpani sir, Shri Mahendra Lad sir, and Dr. Colonel Dinesh Kumar sir.
We are truly grateful to have such esteemed minds guiding our participants today. Thank you all for being here. It's now our great honor to introduce our esteemed guest, Shri K.K. Shrangpani sir, former scientific officer and head of the CVL Electronics Laboratory at RR Catch Indore, under the Department of Atomic Energy. He completed his MSc in Electronics and MTech in Instrumentation from DAVV Indore and began his career at Bhabha Atomic Research Center in 1982. At BARC's Health Physics Division, he worked on the development of microprocessor-based instruments for gamma and nuclear radiation detection and safety. After moving to RRCAT in 1987, he played an important role in developing instrumentation and control electronics for laser systems, including work on copper vapor laser chain systems and time-of-flight mass spectrometers for lithium isotopic analysis. He has also served as a faculty at BARC Training School at RRCAT and has authored over 35 research papers. In recognition of his contribution, he received the Department of Atomic Energy Group Achievement Award for Excellence in Science and Technology in 2011.
I respect our respected principal ma'am to kindly step forward and present a sapling to Shri K.K. Shrangpani sir as a mark of our gratitude.
And with that, we have witnessed some of the most phenomenal projects today. But now comes the moment we all have been waiting for, the declaration of results.
Meanwhile, let's keep the excitement alive. Take a moment to appreciate all the participants once again. Can we hear a huge round of applause for them?
And now it's time for the prize distribution. Let's get started with the first category, scientific and technological innovation. Let us begin with the second runner-up. We have a tie. I request our respected guests and the faculty coordinators to please come over the stage and principal ma'am to hand over the prizes to the students. Let us begin with second runner-up. We have a tie and the award is shared by two deserving teams. The second runner-up award goes to AI-based projectile motion detection by Medicaps University, Shivam Singh, Harshdeep Singh Sisodia, Harsh Jaiswal, Lavanch Goyal. I request the team members to please come over the stage.
The second runner-up award goes to Ark Shakti from IPS Academy. The participants are Ishan Sahani, Tishya Bhatia, Kabir Yadav, Prakhar Bandi, Vinay Rathore.
A correction in the college name. The second runner-up teams belong to IET DAVV College.
The first runner-up award is presented to Anti-Sleep Device from IPS Academy. The participants are Tanisha Kesri, Yashika Malviya, Siksha Pandey, Srishti Chaube, and Vedant Soni. Also securing the first runner-up position is the project title Gesture to Action from Medicaps. The participants are Udit Ghagre, Om Tiwari, Tanishq Trivedi. Now, the winner award goes to Man Ki Baat from IPS Academy. The participants Gautam Soni, Jai Chaukikar.
Wait, there is a tie. Sharing the winner title is Water Quality Testing Machine from IPS Academy. Niti Gupta, Karan Johari, Himanshu Sharma, Manoj Meena, Javelin Emmanuel.
We really appreciate the team for their efforts. A13 Defender Overload Barrier, A33 Honeypot, A35 Smart Automatic Plant Watering System.
Now we move ahead with the second category, robotics and automation. Let us begin with the second runner-up. The second runner-up award goes to Fire Detection Robot from IPS Academy off campus, Gaurang Bhagat and Tanisha Verma.
There is a tie in second runner-up position, and the next second runner-up award goes to IoT-enabled dynamic waste pickup network. The participants are Sandeep Sihare, Rituraj Singh Chauhan, Prahlad Singh Chauhan, Rishikesh Patole, and Saloni Kumrawat from IPS Academy.
Moving forward with the first runner-up, we have a tie. The first runner-up award is presented to Natsume from IPS Academy. The participants are Gayatri Jaiswal, Faizan Ahmad Khan, Aditya Vashisht, Hanisha Agrawal, Avni Makode.
Also securing the first runner-up position is Intelligent Urban Automation System using AI from IPS Academy. The participants are Lomika Hitoria, Anvesh Tovar, and Himanshi Sharma.
And now, the winner award goes to Humanoid Robot from Symbiosis University and Applied Science. The participants are Sujal Panchal, Adarsh Patel, Aditya Muleva, Shivansh Soni, Priyanshu Soni.
We really appreciate the team for their efforts. Voice control robot, the participants Piyush Singh, Palak Soni, Nitya Vishwakarma, Parnikar Pathak, and Nikhil Gupta. And also the team B26, Smart Water Quality Monitoring System, the participants Harsh Patidar, Anshu Joshi, Kajal Kayashthi, Prince Patharia, and Shivam Nadar.
Now, we move ahead with our third category, that is software and application. The second runner-up award goes to Neuroscience Authentication Beyond Touch from, and the participants are Rohit Soni and Shivani Baraskar.
Moving forward with the first runner-up, we have a tie. The first runner-up award goes to Tracking and Maintaining. The participants are Sujal Vishwakarma, Ankit Bagdia, Tanik Sharma, Gaurav Ashwikar, and Rudra Pratap Singh Thakur from IPS off campus.
There is a tie. Also securing the first runner-up position is hardware-gated biometric attendance from Medicaps University, and the participants are Chetan Jharbade and Kratagya Upadhyay.
Now, the winner award goes to Smart City Emergency Response Optimization System from IPS Academy. The participants are Nehal Jain, Parthika Mahajan, Radhika Patidar, Pankaj Bhagode, and Yash Sharma. We really appreciate the team for their efforts. The name Krishna Pratap, Mayank Gurjar, Jai Sahu, Chetan Malviya, Krishna Jaiswal from IPS Academy. It is my honor to invite our respected Principal Ma'am, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary Madam, to share a few words with us.
Very good afternoon. On behalf of IPS Academy, I heartily welcome and thanks Mr. K.K. Sharangpani from RR CAT Indore, Mr. Mahen Lad sir from RR CAT Indore, Colonel Dr. Dinesh Kumar. The Master of Ceremony of today is Dr. Sanjay Jain sir, Head Physics Department, all faculty members and my dear students. So thank you very much for organizing such a nice event, such a successful event. I heard from Dr. Sanjay Jain that we have the students from 7 colleges and in 400 registrations. It's a grand success. I really congratulate all the team members, all the students, all the volunteers for organizing such a nice event. Now, by organizing this event, we get an idea that what the people are saying, Gen Z is not serious. I think they are very serious and future is really in safe hands. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You prove yourself that whatever that is being, what the humors are around you, around the all Gen Z people is not true. You are the true generations. You are the super bright stars, twinkling stars, and hopefully, I am very sure that you will spread fragrance in this society with your broad smile as well as with your outcome, what are the efforts you have done. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring and encouraging words. It is also my honor to invite our respected Sir Mahendra Lad sir to share a few words with us.
Yeah, good afternoon. Esteemed Principal Madam, my friend Sharangpani, all the faculty members and guides, Mr. Sanjay Jain, and my dear students. First of all, I will congratulate all the students to participate in this event so enthusiastically. And of course, this curiosity and passion I have seen throughout the day, and we tried to do our best. And I think there is no prize first or second. I think all of you are winner. So whomsoever has not got, I request all to go work hard and go ahead so that next year you prove better. Thank you very much, all the organizing committee members and Jain Sahab. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and motivating words. Now, it's my honor to invite our respected judge, K.K. Sharangpani, sir, to share a few words with us.
Thank you to all of you, Principal Madam, Professor Sanjay, and Mahendra Lad sir. आज ये जो मैंने एग्जीबिशन देखी, मुझे मेरे कॉलेज के दिन याद आ गए। और जब मैं कॉलेज में था तो हमारे समय इतना हार्डवेयर अवेलेबल नहीं था, केवल कुछ मोटरें अवेलेबल होती थी और ड्राई सेल हुआ करते थे, निकल कैडमियम से आए नहीं थे। तो हमारे कार कंपटीशन हुई थी कॉलेज में, और ये था कि कार फर्स्ट आना चाहिए और 10 मीटर चलना चाहिए। तो सभी बच्चों ने अपनी अपनी कारें बनाई थी। जब मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वाज दैट व्हील अलाइनमेंट, क्योंकि करना कुछ नहीं था, कार चलने वाली थी, जो फास्ट जाएगी जो फर्स्ट हो जाएगी। तो कंपटीशन शुरू हुई और कार की रेस शुरू हुई, और एक कार जो है वो थोड़े से बस जगह बची थी, उतने में उसमें एकदम एक रॉकेट फायर हुआ और वो फर्स्ट आ गई। तो उस बंदे ने क्या किया था, आखिरी में उसने एक अगरबत्ती लगाई थी और उसमें एक दिवाली का रॉकेट फिट कर दिया था। तो जैसे ही सब मोटरें चल रही थी उसके बाद लास्ट में वो रॉकेट जला और वो एकदम फर्स्ट आ गई। तो मेरा आपको मैसेज है, थिंक ओरिजिनल, थिंक बिग और यूनिक, थिंक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, देन स्काई इज द लिमिट फॉर यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and encouraging words.
Many congratulations to our winners for their impressive achievements and our sincere appreciation to all the participants whose enthusiasm and innovative ideas made this science exhibition truly inspiring.
Before we conclude, we have a quick reminder for all our winners. As part of today's ceremony, we will be transferring the prize pool to you digitally. To ensure a smooth process, we kindly ask the winners to have their account credentials ready.
As we reach the conclusion of this wonderful exhibition, we must acknowledge the people who worked behind the scene to make it all happen.
Indeed, the process of this event belongs to the collective effort of our team, our mentors, and our supporters. To express our gratitude, I would like to invite Dr. Saroj Raghuvanshi ma'am to the stage to deliver the vote of thanks.
First of all, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our respected President, Architect Dr. Achal K. Chaudhary sir, for his constant support in encouraging scientific learning and innovation among the students. I would also like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected Principal Ma'am, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary Madam, whose guidance, encouragement and leadership made this event possible. Our special thanks go to the honorable judges, Mr. K.K. Sarangpani, Mr. Mahendranath, Colonel Dr. Dinesh Kumar, who spread their valuable time to evaluate the innovative ideas and creative projects presented by our participants. I would also like to thank all the heads of departments and faculty members for their continuous support, mentorship, and efforts in guiding the students and organizing this exhibition successfully. A big round of appreciation goes to all the participants who present their project with creativity and scientific spirit. You have truly made this exhibition meaningful and inspiring. I would also like to acknowledge the efforts of our students and volunteers whose hard work behind the scene ensured that the event ran smoothly. Finally, I thank everyone present here for your valuable time, presence, and encouragement, which made this inter-college science exhibition a great success. Again, thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those wonderful words of gratitude. And that brings us to the end of a truly inspiring day here at Inter-College Science Exhibition 2K26. We hope you are living with as much as excitement as we are.